Want to know how to reinstall Waze? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can uninstall and install your Waze app again. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, you need to search up for your Waze application's icon. Now, once you're there, you can simply hold it on and you can just simply select this trash can icon right here and then select uninstall on the prompt. And there you have it. Your Waze has been successfully uninstalled just like this. Now to reinstall it again, you can simply hit towards Play Store, and once you're there, hit towards the search bar right here. And once you're under its search bar, just simply search out for Waze. So you can also uninstall the app by simply searching for it. So now once you have found Waze, just simply select its application for more details. Now you can scroll down, see its reviews and much more. And now once you're done with it, just simply select install right here. And once that is done, your installation should begin. And that's it. That's how you reinstall Waze. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.